Welcome to Automech Robotics Pvt Ltd, a pioneer in the world of automation. Our mission is to revolutionize industries through advanced automation solutions that streamline operations, boost productivity, and foster sustainable growth. Innovative solutions. We offer a comprehensive range of automation services, from robotic process automation (RPA) and artificial intelligence (AI) integrations to IoT-enabled devices and custom software solutions. Our technologies are designed to adapt to your unique business needs, ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance. Expert team. Our team of experienced engineers, developers, and consultants work collaboratively to deliver tailor-made automation solutions. We pride ourselves on staying ahead of the curve, continuously researching and implementing the latest advancements in automation technology. Proven impact. Businesses across various industries trust us to enhance their operational efficiency and reduce costs. Our solutions have helped companies achieve significant improvements in accuracy, speed, and scalability, driving long-term success. Sustainable growth. At Automech Robotics Pvt Ltd, we are committed to sustainable practices. Our automation solutions not only optimize performance, but also promote energy efficiency and reduce environmental impact. Client-centric approach. We prioritize our clients' needs, offering dedicated support and ongoing maintenance to ensure your systems run smoothly. Our goal is to build lasting partnerships, helping you navigate the evolving technological landscape. Discover the future of automation with Automech Robotics Pvt Ltd. Let us help you unlock new possibilities and transform your business into a powerhouse of efficiency and innovation. Explore our solutions and see how we can elevate your operations to the next level. Welcome to the forefront of automation technology. Welcome to Automech Robotics Pvt Ltd.